It's not somebody else's responsibility to pay my mortgage, but it is someone else's responsibility to pay their own way in life. That's how things work. So if you need a place to live and you do not have the money for the down payment or the credit or the job history or whatever that case may be, then you need to rent a property. You either need to rent a property from someone like myself, or you need to rent a property from a large corporation. In my experience, renting from a person is a lot easier because a person has some feelings and they will work with you. Whereas a big corporation, you're a number. So they don't care about you or your situation or your hardship. They just want their money. And when you don't give them your money, you get out. So yes, it is your responsibility to pay your rent or your mortgage, whatever that may be. And let's think about this for a second. If you work your entire life or 20 or 30 years to save money to buy a house for your family, you could have one payment left on that house. You could owe $2,000 and you've paid $500,000-$600,000. With interest, you've paid $1 million or something along those lines. And you have one payment left. And guess what? You don't make that payment. Guess what happens? You lose the house. They sell it. They don't care. So it's your responsibility to pay your bills for the rest of your life. So sadly enough, the one thing that we have an option to do is we have the option to buy real estate. And in case you haven't checked, there's limited amounts of land in this country. And once you run out of land, you run out of places to build homes. So people are growing, people are living longer. Right now, we're not making as many babies as we're used to because it's too expensive. But those things will change, things will come back. But owning real estate gets you wealthy. So if you buy a piece of land, you build a house, you pay it off, it should double in value every 15 years. Just how it works. If you want to get into real estate, don't buy your first house as a $600,000, $700,000, $800,000 house and then want to buy real estate. Buy a townhouse or a condo, something for as least amount of money as possible and live in it for 1 year. Whether you're living below your means or not, do that. You can do 100% financing. After 1 year, move out. Buy a little bit bigger house. Live in it for 1 year, move out. Buy a little bit bigger house, more expensive house. Do that 7 times. Once you own 7